From an urban justice standpoint, how can a city address the advantages afforded to smartphone owners when it comes to navigating public transportation systems? The world is indebted to the London Data Store for convincing the English government that data collected by public organizations should be made available to all. This has allowed mathematicians, scientists, and many others to begin mining this data for useful information and trends. Developers and others can then format the information for mobile applications. Many U.S. cities have followed London's lead, including the likes of New York, Seattle, and Boston. The city of Boston has recently launched its own mobile application called Citizens Connect. It allows residents of Boston with smartphones to report on infrastructural issues within the city, such as potholes or damaged signage. These reports enter the system and are transformed into work orders assigned to the responsible city department. Twitter provides users with real-time, searchable information based on their needs and interests. This includes information from public transportation entities like the MBTA. NextBus allows users to see GPS location of buses in real time, while also providing estimated time until bus arrival, making bus travel easier to schedule. HopStop provides users with step-by-step directions in an easy-to-navigate compilation of written instructions and maps. Many people are familiar with the computer version of Google Maps. The mobile application is very similar. While it doesn't provide Street View, it does give a current GPS location and the ability to set favorite locations. Newly publicized information has been formatted into many useful outlets. So, how can that information be displayed publicly? Artist Daniel Rosen has developed proxy composite prints. These prints have the ability to display two different images depending on the distance of the viewer. Another piece by Rosen. The pieces of trash that make up this mechanical mirror shift based on light sensors to replicate the shape of the object that is shading them. A software mirror, also developed by Rosen, cycles through a series of 6 different effects every 6 minutes. However, these effects are seen on only 1,000 of the pixels on the screen. The majority of the pixels display a mirrored image. This project, titled Sol Projections, was conceived as a way to transform an industrial backdrop in the city of Chelsea, Mass., into a living landscape in an active dialogue with the community. Images are projected onto massive salt piles used for de-icing roads during winter. The marble answering machine is an example of physical computing. It uses a system of marbles to keep track of messages, as well as the phone number associated with each message. The Urban Video Project emerged as a collaboration between Syracuse University and a local company called Lightwork. Digital artwork and animations are projected onto blank building walls to celebrate the arts and culture of Syracuse.